Before we move on, Upmaji, we have a very special guest with us here today, Naveen Gupta. He's right here. I'm asking to unmute him. He has to go for a meeting and he's come especially for you to share with all of us on his experience on learning astrology with you and how he's using it in his life. Hi, Naveen. Welcome in.
Hi, Neelu. Hi, Upmaji. Good evening,
Hi.
and good evening, everybody. Good evening, Mystic Lotus team. So, I've been heading as a CEO of business for Godrej in Africa, in Indonesia, and I have always been intrigued from my childhood with astrology as a subject. Never got a chance to understand or learn it. And as Upmaji rightly asked at the start, or Nilu, you asked at the start, I'm one of those who would look at every day the chart in the morning of what it has to say for no rhyme or reason, just to get some kind of knowledge or a kick out of it. Given COVID lockdowns, I had some surplus time on my hand, and that's when I got to know Upmaji and joined her along with a few of my friends as classmates when we started off this course with Upmaji, which is the basic astrology course. And I must say, it really opened up my mind. And to be very frank, it blew up my mind. I won't even say it opened up my mind because a few things. So, first, I think the way Upmaji taught all of us this astrology is as good as learning a new language. So the same way that we learned k, kh, g or ABCD is the way Upmaji had the patience with us, and we are all pretty senior people heading businesses, etc. She had the patience to teach all of us, and many a times we would also be pretty irritating students. I know that, but I think she had the patience to calmly keep us in check and keep teaching us. The practical knowledge that she provided, like the kind that she was just sharing with two participants, was the other extremely interesting thing for me. And uh, I'm somebody who's completely left brained. So I need logic to understand something, and I cannot deal with anything abstract. And I remember there have been many times when I would actually tell Upmaji, sorry, Upmaji, समझ नहीं आया, or I didn't understand it. So please, let's go back on why are you saying it and what's the logic. And she always was able to bring out the logic of why things are happening. The same way that she did with the lady just now about yellow color, or with the gentleman about with the feminine colors or feminine objects or something. So there were always practical ways and practical solutions, and which came across as logical reasons. And most importantly, I think the pace of the course is something that she was most willing to adapt whenever needed, because there were times that many of us couldn't understand something. She would slow down. And in fact, I remember a very interesting time that she brought out the logic through mythology, because all of us have learned about Ram, Sita, Ramayana, Mahabharat. She would bring out the stories from Ramayana and Mahabharat, which we knew, but bring out that the logic for astrology also comes from there. So this kind of a holistic learning and holistic experience has helped me at least ingrain and embed the basics of astrology in my mind. I'm able to look at the chart, and I think it's more of a friendship and a relationship that I'm proud of having been able to build with Upmaji. There have been times, so I have done it for the fun, so that I can understand it. There have My friends have come to me who have asked me to look at their horoscope charts, and she was 100% right. Nowadays, nobody has to make anything. It's just a few clicks on the laptop, and the software throws out the whole horoscope or the chart. But the ability to read the nuances in the chart, which a standard software will not be able to provide, is are the tools which Upmaji has empowered each one of us as students. It doesn't mean I can read horoscopes the way Upmaji is able to read. I still need my notebooks and all my notes to be able to find the answers. So I take maybe something like 24 to 48 hours to be able to answer a question to a friend. But again, Upmaji is kind enough because I don't feel confident answering those questions. So I'm able to go back to Upmaji and she's able to always give me guidance that, Naveen, what is your logical thought about why have you used astrology here and have you considered this? So she's always still helping me keep on learning. And last but not the least, I think the homeworks were, she would give us homeworks, but never tough enough homework. So, and I'm grateful to her because during full day work life, you don't get that kind of time. But I would recommend this course for anybody who's keen to understand astrology, not only to use it on themselves, but just for the fun of it. And I'm today happy that at least I have another hobby in my repertoire.
Fabulous. Thank you for coming on and sharing all this, Naveen, because you've brought up a whole bunch of things about the way the course is, the way the teacher is, the way Upmaji is, how she teaches, um, how well she teaches, the slowing down, the pace of it, the correlation, the logicalness of it. And there's one more thing that you've just mentioned, and I'd like to bring it back to everybody's attention is Naveen, you said that even today, I'm not confident. You've just learned it. You're practicing, you're learning, and I'm not confident to give an answer. And I still turn to Upmaji. So after all this time, the kind of post-learning support that Upmaji provides is invaluable. Correct?
100% correct. And for me, it's a friendship. It's a lifetime relationship, which I'm proud to have been able to build. So this is not a student-teacher relationship only. It's much more than the student-teacher relationship.
Right. Awesome. And Upmaji, do you have anything that you'd like to say to Naveen?
Thank you, Naveen ji, for coming here.
My pleasure, Upmaji. Thank you. And all the best team. So all the students, all the best, whoever decides to go ahead with it. And yeah, it's a pleasure. It's a learning pleasure. Let me put it this way. All the best.
Thank you. And gratitude for being here. Thank you.
Thank